demonstration purposes, all I'm using in this video is a Susan Bates crochet hook and some yarn. The first position is similar to holding a pen, a paintbrush, or a pencil. In this one, you hold the crochet hook as if you would a pencil, with your thumb and index finger hold, and the third finger near the tip of the hook. When holding the hook like this, most of the moving or manipulation of the hook happens by bending your fingers and rolling the hook between them. The crochet hook should be turned slightly toward you. Not up, not like this, not down, not like this, okay? The crochet hook should be held firmly, but not tightly, okay? At first, you'll find yourself gripping tightly, but over time, once you feel more comfortable, you will find your hand relaxes. Now, if you notice, in my case, it's difficult for me because this is not the hold I use. I always use the other hold that I'm going to show you in a minute. But again, and again, and again, I tell everybody you should practice all type of holds because you find the one that really fit you, okay? The second position I'm going to show you is similar to holding a knife. In this one, your hand will grip over the hook. Personally, this is the one I always use because it's easier for me to manipulate and to create the right tension while crocheting, and it doesn't create any pain or uncomfortable feelings after working in a project for a long period of time. This hold is called knife or overhand. Here, the hook is held under the hand as if you would a knife for cutting. When holding the hook in this manner, most hook manipulation happens with your wrist. Okay? And I'm going to show you. It's easier for me because this is the one, like I said before, I master. Holding the hook like this takes advantage of the thumb rest. You see? That's why it's easy for me to manipulate and create the tension I need. Oops, sorry. Again. You place your hand over the crochet hook with the handle resting against the palm and your hand and your thumb on third finger gripping the thumb rest. Okay? I personally think it's one of the easier one, but like I said before, everybody has their own style based on their abilities and capabilities. So again, we learned two different ways of holding the crochet hook, which is the pencil hold or pen hold or paintbrush hold, and also the knife hold, which is my favorite one. Okay, so hope this helped and stay tuned for more. Check notes below the description for more. Don't forget to like and share this video. Your comment will be highly appreciated. Follow Lola Loops and Stitches on YouTube, Facebook, and Instagram.